This is Todd from Sniping Rhino Ranch, and this is our first Shed Wars video. So this is Todd from Sniping Rhino Ranch. Like I said, we're gonna jump into this Shed Wars thing. This will be our first video because of our channel name and the fact that we're in the South. I guess we're kind of honor bound to join Team Woodcutter. You know, Assault Kansas is kind of who we're gonna throw our hat in the ring to support. So this will be our first video. Well, you can't really see it. This is our raised bed, one of our raised bed gardens and container garden. We had some frost last night. So it's like May 9th. Sun's just coming up. We've got frost on the windshields, and you can't really see too much. There's frost on the ground. So May 9th having frost is not what we thought we would be having when we planted our garden. Warmed up enough so where we can move this plastic, we covered it up. So this year is a kind of experimental year for us. We've got raised beds, container gardens, in-ground gardens. We've actually tilled out a couple new garden areas. So we're just gonna experiment and see what works. But enough of me talking. Let's get this plastic off our garden area here. I apologize, we free range our chickens, so they're everywhere. They're making a bunch of noise. Anyway, we're gonna just show you our raised beds and our container garden. Here is our raised beds. We definitely need to do some weeding, but we've got this one so we can pack more sand or more dirt and soil as they grow. We need to do that, and this one definitely needs to be gardened as well. We do have some containers in here, but most of our containers for our container gardening is in here, and you can see we've got stuff coming up. Because we have it coming up already, we decided to cover it up last night because of the frost. We free range our chickens, so that's why we've got them running all over and interrupting this video. We have our rabbit hutches right there so that we can use their poop as fertilizer, and we can just bring it right up in here. So again, we'll be joining Team Woodcutter. We're gonna go for the winning team. While the South may not rise again, we're hoping that our produce rise again and these plants rise quite a bit. So we'll see what happens later on this year. I guess kind of a call out to Team Will It Grow. There's a lot of southern channels in there, even channels that have Ozarks in the name. So you guys probably want to think about coming back to your roots and joining the South, the southern channels, instead of being the Yankees. I used to be a Yankee myself. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. You'll subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit that button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming homestead related videos. This is Todd firing our first shots of the Shed Wars and saying, have a great day.